Hi, I'm Paul from Titan Alarm. I'd like to talk to you about upgrading your home security system. If you have an alarm system that is either active and working normally, or perhaps it's inactive and you'd like to have it active, I would like to have the opportunity to introduce to you the latest technology that allows for interactive control of your system remotely by way of your computer, your iPad, or a smartphone. If you're still using a landline, upgrading to a cellular signal is simple and inexpensive. A cellular system allows you to add home automation devices such as thermostats, door locks, cameras, and lights. Our touchscreen keypad displays the weather and has a two-way voice speaker in it to have instant communication with our monitoring station. Call me, Paul Brook, at 623-703-4750 for a free, no-obligation analysis of your security system. And hopefully it'll create greater peace of mind.